What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're at Rollins Lake. I've never fished here. I've been here a lot of times but never gone fishing. My dad, you guys have not seen him. He might be fishing with me today. I don't know. My uncle's not here. He went somewhere else today. I was gonna go, but I decided not to. I'm here today. Gonna be juicy. See you guys there. Boom. Got one. Yep. Let's go. Oh yeah. Get up in here. Yes. Yeah. Stop it. Stop. Calm down, bro. Hey, you can chill. Bro. I'm gonna unhook you. Release you. Whew. Oh, casted right into that cover over there on that tree. And this guy demolished the wacky rig. Oh, he got it. Oh, that's my first wacky rig fish. Come on, man. There we go. Alright, first fish of the day. It just started like not so long ago. Let's get a release on this guy. It's a nice one. Oh, he was ready. Ooh, let's keep fishing. That's awesome. Someone's playing Old Town Road. God dang, why can I not keep my balance? Got a little popper tied on. I got this from Bass Pro. Oh jeez, my pole's messed up. Alright. Oh, that's such a good cast. One just blew up on it, dude. What the heck? No! Will he come back for it? How? That's the second time I missed. How? Dude, one just blew up on it. Oh my god. I wonder if I cast it right back to that same spot. How did I miss it? How? It has two trebles on it. Oh, hopefully I cast that same spot. Okay, that's close enough. That sucks. I wanted that fish so bad. Maybe he was too small and it actually ate the whole thing. There's definitely fish over there. That's such a good spot. There's like 2 trees, and there's a cave. It like coves in. Dude, if I had a kayak, I'd be destroying the bass out here. Like, all of them would be mine. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first time here, so sorry for the short video. Only caught 1 fish. I'll be coming back here. See you guys later. Peace out.